What's up, guys? If you like my channel and you want to help me grow, go ahead and push that subscribe button below. If you want to get future notifications for my videos, go ahead and push the little bell. A little picture of it right there. And if you want to see my algorithm get boosted to help me along, further my adventure on YouTube, please push the like button. It definitely helps. And if all else fails, push the like button because this guinea pig is cute. That's a good reason to push it, right? Right. So while we're getting set up here, she's going to actually be the one to make this beautiful flight. I'm going to be the one watching, and she's aiming for the end of the run down there. Like I said, should be close to 3,000, a little over 3,000 feet, like 3,500 feet. It's a pretty good haul. And she should be able to bring it all the way back and even do this. Take it all the way to the bridge and bring it back around. Should have no problem covering that distance. So it's going to be kind of a long video. Hope you guys enjoy. The boat is done until I get an ESC. I was a little worried about it last time we took it out. That battery I had in there was a little too heavy for it, and I think it stressed the ESC a little too much. So unfortunately, I saw some melted spots on the ESC, and naturally today it only ran for a couple minutes before it conked out on me. So I'm assuming the ESC is the issue. So we'll replace that, and we should be good to go with the boat again. So, does it say Skycontroller yet? Did it connect? Yes, beautiful, connected. So now what we're gonna do is turn on the Bebop. The Bebop 2. We're gonna wait for that to power up. Okay. Give it 1 second here. I should be able to open the app now. Free Flight Pro. We're gonna wait until it says ready to roll. Alright, we got a little warning here, so maybe we have to calibrate the transmitter again. 93, calibrate, yep, okay, just kind of do that with the transmitter. What it's telling you, exactly what it's telling you. There you go. Oh, it says calibrated now, okay. Well, that's stupid, it didn't do that before.
That means I did it.
Good to go. Whatever, for whatever reason, it didn't tell us it was calibrated. Alright, so pop it up.
It wanted me to get my arm.
Oh, did it?
Workout in.
All right. Now remember, try not to touch the screen. Try not to push any of the good little buttons. So, first thing you're going to do is start a recording right there. Okay. Now wait. It said stop, so I'm assuming we started a recording. Yes, we did. Go ahead and start it again. Nope. See? Stop recording. All right. So what you're going to do is push the takeoff button back up.
This one?
Yep. It's going to go up, and now it's ready for a flight. So let's do this because it's way off. Hold on, hold on.
Oh, what?
Look at your screen. You gotta bring it up. Can't see anything.
Okay.
Oops, a little too far. Let's bring it over this way. Ah! There we go. Oh my gosh, this thing is traveling all over the place. There we go. All right, take her up. Take her on a flight, babe. Take it up in the air, high. Get above the trees. High, 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 high. There you go. There you go.
Am I high enough?
Oh, I'd like you to go higher if you can. I like it nice and high. There you go. Now see if you can take it to the run just by staring at your screen. You're higher than anything out there.
Can you turn the brightness up?
Nope, but what you can do is bring the camera down so you can see things a little better. It'll start to get brighter as you bring the camera down.
Why is it going down?
It's not. I'm moving the camera down. Just keep pushing forward. There you go. You're pretty high. You see it?
No.
No? You can't see it?
No.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah. How far away are you? 320 meters?
Yeah.
Alright, just keep pushing. Yeah, you got a good ways. I can still see it easily. I like that it's dark. It makes it extremely easy to see you guys. How are we looking?
No.
Beautiful. 433, 440. I can still see it very easily.
460,
472 meters, still going. All right, now when you get to the end of the run, Just keep going until you get to those trees over here and then start cutting left. She has this thing, guys, where she loves to wear sandals so the bugs can attack her because she doesn't like real shoes.
They're real shoes. They're real sandals. They're actually the original shoe.
All right, how we doing? Good. How far are we? 623 meters.
Am I keep going?
Yep, just follow the curve around, the bend around the river. So she's now going to start cutting left because she's all the way at the mouth here.
Wow.
Crazy, huh?
700.
705 meters. We'll go ahead and put that in feet as we go here, guys, so you can see. I can still see it pretty easily. I mean, it's a little dot now, but I can still see it. I got pretty good eyes, I guess. You able to see?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just keep
800.
820 meters, 824,
Yeah,
830.
A
A little choppy. And this is the Solo can make it through.
Okay, it's doing it really choppy.
That's fine. Just keep going. It'll return to home.
I think it's doing it now.
Yep. Okay, so we got our first kill. What was it at?
853.
853 meters. And what happened is she cut left, and now the trees are impeding the signal. So, all right. Well, 15 seconds. She'll start the return journey. What'd you think? Not too bad? That's pretty far. 124 meters is 400 feet. So you can pretty much guess you went out there pretty far. I see it. Here she comes. It's a little tiny dot above that tree on this side. All right. Should have FPV in a sec. It should reconnect as it gets closer. We're going to aim this down so it's a little easier to connect to it. She's coming back. See it now?
No.
Right above the tree, right there off to your right.
You know how many trees there are?
Little tiny dot.
Okay, now I see it.
Yeah. All right, app just reset. You have FPV again. Just let it keep the RTH going though. Just let it come back. So, 850 meters in a pretty low Wi-Fi interference area. I'd say that's not too bad. It's not wonderful, but it's not too bad either. So, here she comes to save the day. Babe, keep the transmitter pointed at it, directional. We're gonna teach you about this.
There you go.
See it?
I lost it.
Right there. Straight up, right above the trees. See it now?
Nope.
Really? It's right there.
Okay, now I see it. Well, it looks like a little dot, so there's a lot of stuff that you can spot.
All right, you can stop that RTH. Yeah, I think you can just hit home and it'll stop. Yep, okay, so now it's just sitting there. All right, so do this, babe. Take it up the mouth, take it towards the bridge. You should be able to reach the bridge as long as you keep turning with it when you go. You're still at the same altitude you left at, so you can push that stick forward. Otherwise, you have a really slow trip there. Traveling about 8 miles an hour right now. There you go. Now you're picking up the pace. There she goes. How's your battery life?
82?
What is it?
82%.
Okay. Well, that looks beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, man. The sun right now is covered by the trees, so it just looks absolutely gorgeous out here right now. Looks beautiful. All right, turn your body, directional antennas.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
One day I'll remember it. One day.
One day.
Yeah, until then. Yeah,
So just take a little more step to your right there. No,
Oh, to my
to
right.
your right. Turn your body. There you go. You want to keep a direct signal path with it.
Oh, don't they turn around because there's the bridge.
Nope. You can get all the way to the bridge if you want to. Just don't go over the top of it. You're probably going to lose signal here in a second. The Solo starts to struggle a little bit right here because of all these trees in the way.
Should I turn around?
Yeah. Go ahead and bring her back.
Oh, shit. Get over there.
All right. Turn around until you see the water again. There you go. Start your return trip. Boom. You just got to think of the layout from the ground. I like the Bebop, guys. I wish it got a bit more range though. Even with the Skycontroller getting 850 meters out here, it still gets spanked by the Solo every time. Every time.
But maybe not yet.
No?
Once you get the other thing.
Now, do you want to test how good the RTH is? Do you want to see how well it lands? We can stop it if it starts having an issue. You want to see how solid it comes back and lands by itself?
Okay.
All right, hit the home, return to home button. There you go. Let's see.
Are you gonna be able to take control?
Yeah, if we have to. So if it starts struggling or I think it has a problem, just hit the home button again, okay? Let's see how it does by itself. So it took off, what, about right there?
Yeah.
Somewhere about right there. Let's see how it does by itself.
Let's see who can spot it first.
Let's see who can spot it first.
I'll be you, because you're used to looking for them. But...
Yeah, we'll see. It's going to return in a straight line like this now, beeline. It's not going to follow its course back. It's going to come from here back this way. Guess what?
No shit! That's not cool. How long did you know?
I've known for a minute. Oh man. I'm like, she obviously doesn't hear it. It's pretty quick on the way back, huh? Alright, let's see how it does. I think it was about right there. If it starts looking like it's gonna hit the tree, we'll stop it. It looks like it's doing pretty solid right now. Looks like it's doing pretty good at the moment. It's a little close to the tree, but I think it'll set down just fine.
Even with the line?
Even with the line. It's gonna set down about right here, babe. It's not. Look at that. That's actually really good. That is like within feet of its takeoff point. Not even. It's like dead on.
Do I have to do the down or just...
Yeah, hit land. Hit the... Oops. It reset because we were... Land. Boom. You trust it now? Just slightly.
A little bit more.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, it's only like maybe 2 feet from where it took off. I think we put it in about right over here somewhere, maybe 2 or 3 feet off its original takeoff point. Yeah, pretty good.
We're still at 68%.
Yeah, you can take it out again if you want to.
Stand up.
All right. Push away from the tree. There you go. Start a recording if you haven't. Oh, that's already started. That's good. Take it for a cruise. Well, guys, I'm going to end this here. She's just going to play around and kill off some of the battery till she gets down to like 40% or so. And you see the bird chasing it? That bird's like, ah, no, what is it? Look at him. Look at him. He got close to it to check out what it was.
He did.
Yeah.
He purposely came out of the tree to follow it.
Yeah, he was like, what was that? That thing sounds crazy. I don't know if I want to get too close to it. Well, guys, that's it for the range test right now. What happens is we have another location that we're going to test at. If any of you guys saw my extreme range flight with the Solo that one time, we're going to take this to the same location and see what happens. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Miss Pilot over here, say goodbye.
Bye.
To the view.